Hello guys, so in this tutorial we will try to understand how to fill this series. Let us say you have to fill like 1, 2, 3. So up to this, like you have to go up to around some 50 or something. So what you can do is you can press a control button and you can go to this top, like a bottom right corner, there will be a square. Okay. So if you hold that and press control and you drag, so it will keep on giving you next results. That is one of the method to go for different values. Okay, so this is how you can fill a particular column. Okay, that is one of the method. Let us say this is your data and the data has been filled. Now the thing is, suppose I have like one more data and I want it to be like starting from 10 and other value should be 15, 20, like that it should go up to 300. Okay, so what you can do is now it won't work out by like dragging this. Okay, if you try to drag like this, it will start 20, 21, 22 only. So what I want is I want the data to be filled at a steps of 5. Okay, so for that what you can do, let us say first step is 10, next would be 15. So go to this fill. Okay, if you go to this fill, you can like go to this down, right, up, left, but what we'll do is our aim is to go for series. Okay, so we want to fill a series. So what is the step? Select the cell, go to home, then go to fill series. Okay, so in this series in column or rows, so you have to select column because this is column, one column. Okay, then what is the growth rate? So that is linear, means at a step of 5 5 you want to put. So this guy is asking you what is the step value. So step value should be, let us say, 5. Okay, and what is the stop value, up to what you want to go. Okay, so suppose you want to go up to, let us say, 300. So I want to fill up to 300. If you press OK, it will see, say, it is showing you 15, 20, 25 up to 300 to have gone. Correct? So if you want to change the step value, you go to this fill and series, and let us say your step value is, let's say, 3, and you want to go up to 300. So at a step of 3 3 it will go. So 10 plus 3, that will be 13, 16, like that it will come. So what would be that? But you must select this column. Okay, otherwise it will fill it in row. Okay, so you must select column and go. So it is going 15 plus 3, 18, like that. Sorry, actually like you must select a column here. So you should have done like this. I want the starting value to be 10. So 10 plus 3, that is 13, and step value is 300. So it will go up to 300. Okay, so this is how you can fill the different series. Let us take one more example for data. So what you can do, one more thing is let us say you have 2 and you have 4 and you want the previous two values to be added and filled. Okay, so what you can do is equal to this and plus this, so that will be 6. Next value should be 6 plus 4, that will be 10. So what you can do is this formula should be filled, that's all. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, like that you can fill it. So this is going to give you all the values. Okay, up to what value you want, that only you can fill. There is no need to fill up to complete values. Okay, all right, thank you.